Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be making fenugreek oil. Fenugreek contains iron and protein. These two nutrients are very essential for hair growth. It also contains a unique composition of plant compounds, including flavonoids and saponins. These compounds are presumed to induce hair growth due to anti-inflammatory and antifungal effects. You get a empty jar. I poured my fenugreek seed into the empty jar. Then I added my coconut oil, my homemade coconut oil. Into the jar. I poured the oil into the jar. So this depends on the quantity of fenugreek you have. Coconut oil helps moisturize and seal hair. It also prevents dry and flaky scalp. It also prevents split ends. I also added my castor oil. Castor oil also treats hair loss, also known as alopecia. It's also used as deep treatment to protect the ends of the hair. Here I have my fenugreek oil. So I covered the jar and I placed it beside my window for 2 weeks. You can leave it for 7 days, but I decided to leave mine for 2 weeks. It depends on how long you want. The longer, the better. So I placed it for 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, I sieved out the oil. Here is my fenugreek oil. Thank you for watching. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, support my channel. Thank you.